Hello guys, once again welcome back to my page. So in today's video I want to teach you guys how to produce a liquid car wash at home. You know that it's not normal to use ordinary soap or ordinary liquid soap to wash your car, because the way those soap were produced, they will affect the paint of your car and you will see your car looking very dull. So your car actually needs a special soap to be washed with. So in this video I will teach you how to produce that special soap. So watch and learn. So over here is one of the chemicals I'll be using. This is the SLS, which is known as sodium lauryl sulfate, and I'm making use of 500 grams. I'm going to dissolve it in water. I'll dissolve it in 2 liters of water. So see how I'm going to do this. Regular household soap like laundry detergent or dish washing liquids are designed to be aggressive. Their job is to strip away grease, oil and stubborn dirt from plates, clothes and surfaces. And they do that very well, maybe too well. When you use regular soap on your car, it doesn't just remove dirt, it also strips off the protective wax layer that shields your paint. That wax is what gives your car that glossy shine and acts as a barrier against sunlight, rain and contaminants. So in order to shield the paint of your car, you need a special soap made for cars so that the paint of your car will not fade and you see yourself spraying your car every few months. You have to avoid that by using special liquid soap for washing cars. So in this video, I'm going to teach you guys how to produce this at home. Just in case you are a car owner at home, you own a car, you need this special soap. So I am done dissolving my SLS. I'm going to keep it aside for it to properly dissolve. It can take like 30 minutes for it to properly dissolve. So the next chemical I want to be dissolving is the sodium sulfate, and I'm making use of 300 grams. You can see it there, 300 grams of sodium sulfate. So I will dissolve this in water also. Then once I'm done putting water inside, I'm going to also keep it aside for 30 minutes for it to properly dissolve. So watch and see what I'm doing. So using the wrong soap, using the wrong detergent or using the wrong liquid soap will clean your car today, but it will damage it tomorrow. In order to save money, not to go and be repainting your car and be wasting money, use the right soap to wash your car. And this soap I'm teaching you is one of the best soap for washing car because it does not contain caustic soda. Most of the soap used for washing cars contain caustic soda, and caustic soda is going to peel off your car. So don't add caustic soda to your production of your car wash in order not to produce something that will peel the paint of your car. So the next chemical I'm dissolving is the soda ash, and I'm making use of 200 grams. So I am done dissolving all my chemicals, and I will keep all of them aside for 30 minutes for them to properly dissolve. So after 30 minutes, this is the result. I will start mixing my chemicals together. So see how I'm going to mix them. I will start with my sodium sulfate. It has also dissolved. I'm going to pour it inside and I will stir it and mix it till the mixture becomes creamy. So watch and see what it's going to turn into. So the next chemical I'll be putting is my soda ash. You can see my soda ash has completely dissolved in that water. I kept it for 30 minutes so to completely dissolve before pouring it inside. So this liquid car wash can be produced for business. You can literally start this as a business and be selling to people that do car wash business. You can be selling to them or sell it to car owners and advise them, tell them why they should use this car wash, because regular soap and detergent will spoil the paint of their car. So I'll be adding my next chemical, which is the propylene glycol. That's 150 ml. Now propylene glycol acts as a stabilizer. It's what makes the cleaning agents or the cleaning properties found in this liquid wash to be active, so that they'll work very well and remove stain very well. That's the job of propylene glycol. It makes the cleaning agent found in this car wash to be very active, so that they can remove stain very well. The next chemical I'll be adding is the sodium silicate. I'm making use of 25 cl of sodium silicate. Now the job of sodium silicate is to break the metal ions found in hard water, because those metal ions limit soap from foaming or leathering well. So if you want your liquid soap or whatsoever soap you are producing to foam very well without any limitation, you need to bring in sodium silicate. That's the job of sodium silicate. It actually breaks down those metal ions that limit the lathering or the foaming of soap. So the next things I want to be adding is the color and fragrance. At this point, you can choose not to add color and fragrance. Color and fragrance are actually optional. It's your choice. Most people like their soap to look colorful, so they can bring in color. Most people like their soap to have a sweet smell, so they can bring in fragrance. So these are the last things you add, and they are optional. You can choose to add or not to add them. They're actually optional, and you can make use of any color of your choice. Here I decided to use yellow color. So if you want to learn more on how to produce a lot of things like this, the laundry bar soap, the powder detergent, the liquid soap, the perfume, the bleach, the Dettol, the Vaseline, the hair cream, and the rest, do well by joining my online class. I'll be showing you a phone number where you can reach me on WhatsApp. Just chat me on WhatsApp to join the class. There you will learn how to make things like cosmetics and household cleaning products like a pro. So you can learn those things and become a pro, and you will also use them to start up a business. You can start selling soap, liquid soap, car wash, and the rest, and you start up a business. So if you want to learn how to produce a lot, detergent, bleach, Izal, Dettol, hair cream, Vaseline, and the rest, organic soap, do well by joining my online class. So I'll keep this for 24 hours. After 24 hours, this is the result. Everything has settled and it now looks very beautiful and very glossy. Very beautiful. You can see how it looks like. So you can check the description of this video where you can find a link to join our class. Just check the video description, you find a link to join our class. But if you have issues joining us through the video description, you can chat me on any of these phone numbers that will display here. Reach me on WhatsApp. Just chat me on WhatsApp to join our training group that goes on WhatsApp. There you learn how to make a lot of production. Especially you know how to make tablet soap like a pro. You know how to make detergent, perfume, bleach, Dettol, Vaseline, hair cream, and the rest, organic soap, body cream. You will learn them there at my online class. Then also, if you are a soap maker and you are looking for soap making equipment to up your soap making game, or you want to take your soap business to the next level, we have soap making equipment that are very affordable and very easy to use. We have soap molds, soap trimmers, soap groove makers, soap cutters, and soap stamps. We have varieties of molds. Do well by chatting me on this phone number displayed here to purchase your own equipment. We deliver nationwide, wheresoever you are in Nigeria. We are not scammers. We are a legit business people. We do legit business. We are not scammers. So don't be scared of buying equipment from us. Just chat me on this phone number. Wheresoever you are in Nigeria, we can wheel our equipment down to your location. We have varieties of equipment. We have up to even soap stamps. Then also, if you will not have time to join my online class, you can purchase my ebook. My ebook is actually very voluminous and very educative and very illustrative, with a lot of production recipes and formulation, step-by-step formulation. So if you don't have time to join the class, just purchase the ebook. The ebook is actually very affordable. Reach me on this phone number here to purchase. If you watched this video to this point, thank you for watching. Please do well by sharing this video. Please share this video with your friends, and don't forget to follow me and drop your comments where in what I did and you do not understand. Drop your comments in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Goodbye and have a lovely day. Please share my video and follow me. Bye bye. See you next time on my next video.